guys, I am Aaliyah Johnson. The Game with Aaliyah. I'm finna make me some side packs on slide. With red and blue. And I got this whole bag, but I'm not gonna use the whole bag. I'm gonna use it. You can put it in the microwave, but I do the shortcuts. Just do that. Then keep on doing it until it get like moist. You see how it kind of getting kind of out. Show it. Okay, so keep on doing it. Stop. You see it got a little sugar on it, so you don't want no sugar free on slime. It's gonna be eatable slime. So if you see the sugar, that means it's not finished. So keep on doing it. You can put a little sugar in your slime, but not that much. Okay, so I'm gonna come up some of y'all, cause y'all can't see like that. And it's turning different color, and I like it how it's changed another different color. Is it changing? Comment down below what color you think this is gonna be. I think I can see it. That's gonna be yellow. Y'all, what color y'all think it's gonna be? Purple. It's an opinion. So, I think it's gonna turn like purplish. A purplish color, so let's see. Oh. So you can see there, you have a slime, so it turned purple. So that's your slime. You might not want to have all kind of holes in it, so you're gonna keep on just working it out, working it. Make sure y'all while working it, make sure y'all like this video, subscribe to the red button, hit that bell, and hit the notification button so you can find me. You can find me on Instagram, Aaliyah Johnson 4991. Snapchat, or you can find me Aaliyah Johnson 3208, and you can find me you can find me on Musical.ly. I really don't know my password on Musical.ly, but y'all can just look it up. It is. I just started there. I just had to listen to my sister. Okay, so be quiet. So I think it's like user. I do not have my real name on it. I have user, and it's got some numbers. That is how you make slime. What she say? What she say? What's that saying? What she say?
She said she had told my mom. She had told me to tell my mom. Bruh said get her that money.
Tell her that she did. Sasha, why you sad that Run already got the money?
I didn't know that.
Well, stop. If you didn't know, why you trying to sell? You trying to teach what he talking about. So this is how you make slime. I really don't know about slime. it on YouTube. This is edible slime. That's how you make slime. Bye. Bye.